Hi vlog kamo. Good morning. We're in Yalida. We will be doing what? Zip line. What are you wearing? What you will wear? Helmet. And then what you will wear? Helmet. Helmet tsaka tali. Tali. Ayan. We're going to wear the helmet and the harness. Anika? Good morning. Nandito kami sa Yalida. And last year ginawa namin to ni Anika. Siya yung pinakabatang nag-zipline. And now uulitin namin because she wanted to do it. Anika, set mo na yung kanya mo. Bilis.